Hello everyone, this video is going to be about calibrating the volumetric flow dust feeder on the hybrid flame analyzers. So we have our dust feeder down here and we want to calibrate its output in terms of grams per second or grams per minute based on this feed rate number. So to change the feed rate number we can just plus or minus up to 1,000. And I'm not exactly sure what happens if you go over 1,000, but currently I'm not going to do it. So we want to change out the burner head. Instead of using our normal turbulent burner or our laminar burner, we're going to change it out for an open tube that's been sanded down slightly on the top. Now that sanded down top is going to fit into the fitting in the bottom of this we'll call it a catch can. It's got a filter on top, flow comes in, dust gets caught by the filter, and the air from the burner leaves. So I've been using 20 liters a minute, set 20 liters a minute flow out of the burner exit. You take this little homemade dust catcher, slide it on. I don't know that I can do this one-handed, especially with my left hand. Okay, so you want to slide it on until it sits nicely inside of there's a copper fitting on the inside, I'll show in a second. So you slide it on, gently slide it on, don't push it on because it'll be hard to get off. Run your flow, you're going to run 20 liters a minute. You'll use a stopwatch and turn your dust feeder on for a minute, and then using the scale, measure how much dust you collected in your 1 minute test. And then you're going to change the setting on the feed rate by, I've been doing measurements from 50 to 100, then every 100 to 900, and then 999, and then curve fitting the output of that. So it seems to be a linear output, and then you need to do some math to get that in terms of grams per meter cubed, which isn't particularly difficult. So I'll leave that as an exercise to the user, but this just slides off gently, and then when you take this lid off, I'm gonna have to put the camera down just for a second. Don't fall. You do want to be careful when you take the lid off not to stick your finger through the filter. So this is actually just a regular coffee filter that's been cut and then put underneath this gasket. So you can see there's a T connection here, so the gas comes in and is diverted out, and then you can see the dust that's collected in there so far. So that was calibrating the 106 to 125 micron dust yesterday. So I hope you found this useful and have a good day.